Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Maury with Momo AI Tools, and in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly create high quality AI videos using ChatGPT as well as a very good video AI editing tool. So if you've been struggling coming up with content or even editing your videos, this video is definitely going to help you because I'm going to be showing you how to use it and the tools that I use to create videos and things like that on some of my other YouTube channels. All right. So before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and if you find this video useful, be sure to like and comment. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about this video, be sure to leave all that down below in the comments. And if you want to get started with these softwares for free, make sure to click the link down below. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so what we're going to use for this video, we're going to start with OpenAI, ChatGPT. Pretty much ChatGPT is a software that uses machine learning to create blog posts, all kind of stuff, scripts for videos. I mainly use it for video scripts. I wouldn't recommend using this for blogs, but it's perfect for YouTube scripts and things like that. So I already created an account. What I'm going to do here is give it a command. So I'm just going to type create a script on how to train your dog to sit. So simple script like that. And if you don't like what it generates, you can always regenerate. If you don't like the way it's turning out so far, you can go to stop generating and regenerate and things like that. So it pretty much goes based off of the commands that you give it and generates you content. All right. So what I'm doing now is just letting it generate me a quick script. So as you can see here, it says, sure, here's a step-by-step script on how to train your dog to sit. First, you choose a quiet and a distraction-free area, blah, 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 blah. Show your dog a treat. So pretty straight to the point, right? So what you want to do now is you want to copy this and paste it into a video editing tool, an AI video editing tool that will do a lot of the hard work for you. What we're going to be using in this video is Pictory. It does all the heavy lifting for you. It's very user friendly. It's very AI friendly, it will take the script pretty much and generate stock footage for you, and I'm going to show you how to do that. If you want to get started with this for free, I left the link in the description down below. You can get started for free, but pretty much it breaks everything down into different portals that you can go to. So for this video, I'm going to be using the script to video. You can also do article to video if you have a blog that you just want to make quick videos for. You can also do edit video using text and visual to video, but for this video we're just going to be using script to video. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to type in what I want this video to be about. Of course, it's simply how to train your dog to sit. Now I could always go back and re-edit that, make it more catchy and things like that, but I'm just showing y'all how simple it is to use ChatGPT to create video scripts for you and things like that. To sit, all right? And then what I'm gonna go back here and do is just take this script and I'm going to paste this into my Pictory. All right, it does spell check, all that good stuff. So what I'm going to have it do right now is go ahead and create scenes for me and things like that. Now I have different templates that I can choose from, and let's see. And guys, you can always customize these templates and things like that, but I'm just going to do one that has like I kind of want to do one that has an animal in it. I'm going to just go ahead and do this dove one. Select it, and then it also gives me the ratios. Do I want it to be landscape or portrait? I'm going to do landscape. That's 16:9 ratio. So what it's doing right now is creating a storyboard for me. It's finding the best visuals. And one thing that I really like about Pictory is it's very sophisticated. And like I said, it does a lot of the heavy lifting for you, so you don't have to. And it's almost complete. If you want to try this software out, I left a link down below in the description for you. Okay, so it came up with, of course, the subtitles and then stock images or stock video footage that we can use. So I'm going to go ahead and play the video for you so you can see, or I'm going to play this scene for you. So as you can see, that's one scene, and then we have another one. And it has music. All right, so I'm liking what I see so far. So as you can see, most of these images are actually matching. Now I would go ahead and change that out because that's a bird and we're not talking about birds. We're talking about dogs. So what you want to do is go to visual, and then you can just get one that has a dog in it. And all you do is click on that. And so what it will do is it will go ahead and replace the bird footage to the dog footage, which as you can see looks a lot better. So I'm gonna go back to my story, go to the next scene. And you just want to make sure that you go scene for scene, make sure that you check over it, that you're liking what's being said. And also, like for example, this is kind of taking up too much of the screen. I just want to make that a little bit smaller, so I can do so, and then make this go down here. So it's pretty user friendly. All right, and you just want to go scene for scene and just make sure that it's consistent talking about dogs. Like for example, I would switch this out because that's horses, not dogs. So I would just, again, go here, pull out a dog, and switch that scene to where it's showing a dog. You just want to go scene for scene, make sure that it's like lining up with what you're talking about in the video. So pretty simple to use. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do now is generate it, and it's going to turn this into a video where I can push play and go back and watch it. So like I said, it's pretty easy to use. And I've already made a review talking about Pictory if you want to check that out. But now what you can do is go ahead, after you generate the video, you can download it, export it, and upload it into your YouTube channel. And boom, there you have it. You have a video you have an AI video that's generated for you where you didn't really have to do that much work. So this is pretty much how you are able to generate high quality faceless YouTube videos with ChatGPT. You use ChatGPT to come up with the script for you, and then you can use Pictory to come up with the images and add those subtitles too. And also, hold on. Another thing that I want to show you is these voiceovers. I don't know why I forgot to do that at first, but you can upload your voiceover or you can do recorded voiceover. I personally would prefer to do recorded voiceover, but if you don't want to do recorded voiceover, you can go to upload your voiceover and then you can pick these different voiceovers to use, or if you already have a pre-recorded voiceover from some other platform, you can drag and drop it here. But here are some of the voiceovers that they have, and they have it in different accents and things like that. But for this video, I'm just going to use Ava and show
Welcome to Pictory.
how that works.
It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
So as you can see here, we can go ahead and add that to the video, and we should be able to add it to the whole entire video as well. So let's see, go over here and go to applied, and then we're going to push play and see what that does. It's preparing a video for us right now. So let's play it again.
With practice and dedication, your dog will soon be sitting on command like a pro.
All right. So what I'm going to do now is generate the whole entire video, and I'll come back once it's all done. All right, so the video is generated. So what you want to do now is go to download. Then I'm going to open it. When it's done, it should open. All right, so let's take a quick look at it.
First, choose a quiet and distraction-free area to train your dog. This will help your dog focus on you and the training. Show your dog a treat or a toy to get their attention. Hold it above their head so they have to look up at it. As your dog is looking up at the treat or toy, slowly move it back towards their tail. As you do this, say the command, sit, in a clear and firm voice. As your dog follows the treat or toy with their eyes, their head will start to tilt back, and their rear end will naturally lower to the ground. Once your dog is in a seated position, praise them with a cheerful tone and immediately give them the treat or toy as a reward. Repeat this process several times, each time saying the command, sit, and rewarding your dog with a treat or toy when they successfully sit. Gradually phase out the use of treats or toys as your dog becomes more proficient at sitting on command.
All right, so that's what we got so far. Now, like I said, this is just a video, so we're kind of rushing through it, but what I do recommend is you got to go scene for scene and make sure that it aligns, that scene aligns with what you're talking about in the script. So just a pointer to remember, but I just really wanted to just show y'all how easy it is to use and how it's really no excuse to be coming out with these videos. Of course, if you're somebody, you want to start a YouTube channel and you don't want to show your face, but you just want to start a YouTube channel, get your feet wet, you literally can go to ChatGPT. You can come up with a script for you, and then you can go to Pictory. Pictory is not that expensive. I believe it's like $21 a month for the standard or something like that. I made a video talking about it already. So like I said, it's very inexpensive, and then ChatGPT is completely for free. So make sure that you try that out as well. And with that being said, this is the video. This is how you can create high quality videos very quickly using ChatGPT. And of course, Pictory. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you found this video useful, please make sure to subscribe. If you have any other topics that you want me to talk about that's related to AI tools, be sure to leave that in the comments down below, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.